Okay, that's where the new beam's going.
Now what we should do is measure from the front. Frame beam. Yeah. Yeah. So we'll just use that. Yeah. It's not going to work like that there. Won't have much room. It's okay. We just got to measure. You're flush on your end. Get the square straight, please. Get 47 and 3/8. Can't get ahead of herself. I'll have to name this one Beat Me Up too. We got to cut a notch so it fits underneath the beam. So I'm using the bevel indicator to make sure the notch is at the same angle. Okay. Right. You got your figured out too. So many reps I gave you. You give me any. I just powered right through, man. Just like a machine. Screw. Oh, no, that was a machine, man. That's my nickname now, Machine. You notice that he learned the technique from me, eh? Yeah, because I never used a saw before. Oh, I know that. I can tell that. Jeez.
And the wind comes back up.
I gotta get it in there. Oh yeah, get her in there.
You want a hammer?
Yeah. Well, like, yeah, good enough. Okay.
You're gonna put some blocks, step them in like these ones.
Well, I couldn't use lack of sleep as my excuse. Don't split it, eh? It's just catching it. I wonder. Yeah, well, it needs to come down a little bit. Yeah. Because we got it jacked up. I understand. Just finish that, what you're doing there, and then we'll work on this. Yeah, we gotta think about it. Which isn't a bad thing, I guess. It's your brother from a different mother. What happened there? There's gonna be a gap there. What? There's gonna be a gap. Just pop on it together. See what I'm saying? Ah, you got ahead of yourself. See, I told you I was gonna cause these problems. Thinking. I was just waiting. I was gonna tell you that, but I figured I'll wait and see how long it takes them. Yeah, I'm sure you will. But you got no way of proving that's not true. I'm gonna delete your phone when you're not looking. Like a Lego piece. And I'll show him that picture and he'll rip it all down and fix it. We need a couple, we need a board 3 inches, a little more than 3 inches wide. So I would make it by 36.
The quest was successful.
Glove, eh? I'm walking around on that roof now. How's she look? Looking good. Right on. Nice and level. Don't step on this one. Yeah. Oh yeah.
Gee, it's hardly moving at all now.
What do you think?
Well,